Hi friends, Dr. Doodle here. Today I'll show you the real science behind the famous cola geyser. All you need is a bottle of cola and a few mint candies like Mentos. Doodle drops Mentos into a bottle of cola and whoosh! Look at that eruption! That's nucleation, everyone! Whoa! Look at that soda shooting up! Amazing, right? Even if we drop Mentos in plain water, nucleation happens. Tiny bubbles form on the Mentos surface. But when Mentos meet the CO2 in soda, the effect is much bigger. Bubbles escape fast and create the famous geyser. Most people think this is a chemical reaction, but it's actually called nucleation. Tiny pits on the Mentos act as launch pads for CO2 bubbles. The bubbles form super fast and escape the soda, creating the geyser. Even boiling water or freezing ice crystals use nucleation. It's common in everyday life. Cool, right? Now you know the real science behind the cola geyser.